In today's video lecture, we are discussing the inclusion compounds, and the second one is cyclodextrins from MSc Previous Organic Chemistry paper 2nd unit 1st. The first topic we discussion is inclusion complexes. The first point is one compound is trapped in lattice or case like structure of other compound. Second, interaction are due to suitable molecular structures. And the third one is prediction of complex formation is difficult. That means the inclusion compound has two constituents. One constituent is gas molecule while another is host molecule. Gas molecule adds in host molecule and forms compound which are known as inclusion compounds. These inclusion compounds are different type. The first one is channel type or channel lattice type. The first one host, which is tubular channel, example deoxycholic acid, urea, thiourea, amylose. The second one is gas, long unbranched straight chain compounds, example paraffin, ester, acids and ethanol. For example, the starch iodine solution, here the starch is host. Second one is urea methyl alpha lipolate, in which urea is used as a host. Means the channel or canal complex, the space is available within the crystal lattice of host molecule is in form of long tunnels or channels. The host gas addition compounds are known as inclusion compounds. The most common host molecule of the inclusion compound is urea, and gas molecule like this urea and starch in starch iodine solution or urea methyl alpha lipolate or within an alkylanes are present in long chain. This urea is also forms channel complex. The diameter of canal is 7 angstrom, which is 1.5 times bigger to urea, so larger gas molecule can accommodate. It also forms inclusion compounds with branch chain and cyclic compounds. The application is separation of isomers. Dextrolevoterpinol are separated using the digitotoxin. And in analysis of dermatological cream, long chain compounds interfere and remove complexion with urea. The second one is layer types, in which host layer with gas like glaze, bentonite and metromorelite. And the second one gas entrapped in gaps, hydrocarbon, alcohol, glycols. The use of layer types is due to their large surface area. They are used as a catalyst. Third one is clathrates or case-like structures. During crystallization, some compound hosts form case-like structure in which coordinate compounds gas is entrapped. Example, warfarin sodium, water plus isopropyl alcohol. Hydroquinone form case with hydrogen bonds and whole have diameter of 4.2 angstrom. This can entrap methanol, carbon dioxide and hydrochloric acid, shows in this diagram. It is also a type of inclusion compound in this host molecule, while crystallization form molecule case and gas molecule fits into these cases. The size of gas molecules should be smaller than the case. For example, quinol, hydroquinone molecule is crystallized by saturated aqueous solution of SO2. Then hydroquinone is used as a host and form clathrate complex with CO2, arginone, H2S and CH3OH. In 1948, Powell named as clathrates. The formula of clathrate compound of quinol is NC6H4OH whole twice Z, where Z is gas molecule. Clathrates are stable on heating. It gets soluble in organic solvent and separate gas molecules. Clathrates are used to separate the homologous with only CH3OH but does not form clathrate with other alcohol. The fourth one is monomolecular inclusion complex. Single gas molecule entrapped by single host molecule. Host is cyclodextrins. Cyclodextrins are cyclooligosaccharides containing a minimum of 6D-glucopyranose unit attached with alpha 1,4 linkage, which is shown in this diagram. like a crown ether. This is also important. The cyclodextrins having the alpha, beta and gamma, which having the different diameter and different types of glycopyranose units. The next we are completed the synthesis. The production of cyclodextrin is relatively simple and involve treatment of ordinary starch with a set of enzyme. Commonly cyclodextrin glucose, which is known as CGTase, is employed along with alpha amylase. First starch is liquefied either by heat treatment or using alpha amylase, then CGTase is added for the enzyme conversion. CGTase can synthesize all forms of cyclodextrins. Make up the sides of a loop of 6 or more hexagons, each one lying roughly in plane of the sides. Thus the depth of the pale is thus the width of pyranose ring outside the pale. Around the upper large rim lie the secondary OH groups of C2 and C3. Around the lower, smaller rim lie in the primary hydroxyl group of C6. The inside of the pale consists of three bonds, one on the top and another two bands of CH in between a band of glycosides. Inclusion compounds. Internal hydrophobic cavity is the key feature for the complex formation. Inclusion complex we already discussed. Formation can be regarded as of Dux complex molecules or at least part of a molecule. Method for making inclusion complexes by physically blending method, solvent evaporation method, microwave radiating techniques, melting method, freeze drying techniques, annealing method. The fourth